Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to add the 20, the 50, and the 200 EMA on Exness chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your Exness chart, then go to indicators here at the top left. Click on it and type EMA. And choose this one, moving average exponential. Click on it 3 times, like this. Now go to the first one, click on these 3 dots, click on settings, go to input and type 20. Go to style and click on blue and choose any color you want. So I will choose yellow. We have here the thickness and click on OK. Let's go to the second one, the 3 dots, settings, type here 50. Go to style. I will choose, for example, white. The thickness, I will choose this one. The third one, change 9 to 200. Style, I will choose this color, for example, and the thickness, I will choose this one. And click on OK. Now, let's refresh this. As you can see, this is our EMAs. This is the 200, and the white is the 50, yellow is the 20. Okay, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.